Hi everybody, my name is Gifty, and this is the first day of the workshop, which is Launch, Learn, and Leverage for staffingpreneurs. I'm telling you, even today, being the first day, we have learned so much. We have learned so many things. So if you are out there and your business is struggling to try to thrive, please reach out to Dee Williams. She is very understanding. She takes her time to explain it to you. She comes down to your level to start from wherever you're having difficulties. So by the time you're done with this workshop, you have learned so much. And I know that we're gonna boost our businesses in a whole lot of ways just because we're learning so many things that we did not know. The things that we thought we knew. But when she started breaking it down, we were like, okay, we got so much to learn from this woman, and she's willing to pour every ounce of whatever knowledge that she's acquired into you. So I'm encouraging anyone that stumbled over this video, reach out to Dee Williams. She is the best.